There is a change when I saw into the color picture. There is one center big this and the small rims are there. There is one small rim here also for the window pane, which we have not considered. That will draw. First, we'll make the this 1 second. I'll just. Who has not joined me right? Okay. Now, the book concept. First, it's not a very slanting line, but little bit. It's not a straight line. Also, to give the structure, just make one slanting line. Okay. Now, if this line is of 5 centimeter, divide it into two parts. That is, this part will be big and the other part will be less. So what I'm doing, I'm going to take this part big and this one small. So if it is 5 centimeter, I don't know whether this is 5 or 6, divide it 3 and 2. Mark a point here at 3 and draw a standing V at this point. I'll just bring it near. What is the standing V means? One side will be the straight, other will be little bit slanting, but it will be a standing. Why standing? That also I'll tell you. Can you see? On that line, where I had marked the 3 centimeter, I made a standing V. Now, same height of the length, come here and make a straight line at this end. The height will be the same. Yes? Make a box here. This side is a box. Again, make a line here, straight line. That is the middle of the book.
Ma'am, I joined late due to some network problem. So can you tell me what we were doing?
Just make a slanting line. Divide it, if it is 5 centimeter, divide it 3 and 2. I've done it roughly, it's not 3 or 2. But this part will be more and this part will be less because it is away from us. This will, I'll be able to see this more. This I'll be seeing less. That's why this I've kept 3, this I've kept 2. Now, height, again same. Just mark a standing line here. Join these two ends. This will be big. If this is 1 cent, I'm giving an idea. It's not 1 centimeter. It's 0.75. So if this is 0.75, this will be half and this will be 0.4. Height wise, means this is big. This will be little bit less compared to this one and this will be little bit less compared to the center one. Now I'll join it with a curve as if it is a page and same here with a curve, join it here. Now one of the page is open, wind is there or something, but I'll just make one curved line and at this point where we have made the line, I'm just going to make a straight line here for the page. I'll just bring it in. You can make it thick also, depending upon. If you want thick, increase the size, give a curve here so it becomes a thick. Papers will make it with the help of the pencil, coloring pencil. Okay, as I said, there is, when I saw the actual color picture once. The center part there is a small line this side and small line from here to here from the base of the
Ma'am,
yes.
can you lift your notebook up a little bit? Thank you.
Can you see now? And this is the base. This is the whole base of the window. That is, this is whole pane of the window. Window pane is there on which the window. So this is full line. It is not divided. This is the center which is divided, and then there is a separate one more wooden strip. That is, window is from here up to the end. I'll just zoom it. This is the construction wise. Can you see? This is whole wooden block which makes the window, and this is on the top, that this is the center part of, and this side is one window, this side the other one, which has this rim. This is the rim of the window. Clear? We have almost done. We'll give the design, or we can shape it plain also, but I'll just give the design. This one.
Ma'am, can you show the book for 1 minute? Thank you.
Okay, I can see the shape like this. Just go. I'll show it what I'm doing. On the rectangle what we have made, there I'm giving a shape like this. Just come up, give a triangle shape on the top, come down. Can you see the shape? The curtain. It is coming from here. Okay, I'll first erase now the center line of the lantern. all these reference lines are there now of lantern. That is erasing. Side piece. The curtain is coming from here, which is visible in the glass. A knot here. And then it is spread like this. This side is not visible, but it is spread somewhere here on the table. So behind the curtain, there will be no window pane. That is the line, center line, what we have made. Yes?
I can't understand how to draw the book.
Just make a little bit slanting line. Now divide this part more and this part is less. On this point, all these 3 points, draw a line. One line here, this will be big. The center line as compared to this one, it will be small, but it will be a standing V. What is the meaning of standing V? The straight line will be there and just little bit slanting other. And then this means the relation is if this is 0.7, this will be 0.5 and this will be 0.4. On this point, you're just going to make one rectangle like this. And join this point straight. These are all straight up. And join it with a curve. Done. This is the book. And in the center, just give a center line. As the book is not completely seen, and here also give one straight line. Now one of the pages out. So just make it like this and give a line and erase this straight line. Done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. I had made the book, but then I got disconnected. So, do we have to make 2 books?
No, only one book. She was not able to understand, so I told how to make it. Got it? Okay, should we start coloring?
Ma'am, just wondering. Just
Everyone show me and then we'll start coloring. Take your oil
excuse
soap
me, ma'am.
paste.
Can you just tell me how to just make that curtain?
Curtain is from here, that is behind the window. So only the line is seen. Just come here, the curtain is tied together. Okay, and then go down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do we make the line for the window frame inside the lamp?
Yes, it is required.
Okay.
Inside the lamp. This will be dark and this will be also dark, which frame is there. Other thing, we are not going to color the glass anything. We are going to give a glass effect with the shading pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I joined a little bit late. What to do?
It is not little bit late, Arish. I don't know. I'm not going to, it's 25 minutes. I'm already done with the artwork. Now we are starting coloring.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
how did you do the curtain?
Curtain is just, this is behind the this. Just come down and make other. This is, it is style. And the again down back side it is not seen because only the top part is seen. It is behind the this lantern. So why I am taking the line? Because I have erased everything behind that window is there. I've erased that. We will not be able to see the window behind the curtain.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes. Yes, drizzling. Very good drizzling.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, Shivani. Yes. Make this very light. I have made it dark so that you will come to know, but erase this. Only the line is to be visible.
Okay, ma'am.
This one. Everyone, huh? It is for everyone. Yeah, Dhruvi, it is okay. Yes.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, Pragati, it is okay. Yes, Kushi, show me. Everyone will show me. One second. Okay, it is okay. Yes, Kushi, it is okay. Yes. Show me. Parth, hold it a little bit down. Okay, it is okay. Iraira, it is okay. I'm not able to see your book, Iraira. Okay, it is okay. Yes. Sanskriti, yes, it is okay. Vedika, show me.
Let me just get rid of the background.
Pragati, show me.
Ma'am, can you see?
1 second. Vedika, show.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I can use oil pastels, right?
No, we are going to use soft pastel for the background and then pencil color.
Okay.
Everything will be with the pencil color. Soft pastel is for the dull look and then window pane, and this we are going to do with the pencil color, nothing else. Everything will keep it like that only for the soft pastel. Yes, Vedika?
Now
Can
what?
you see?
Yes, I can see. Okay.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes, show me. Everyone will show and take your soft pastel, take a cloth, because dark and light shade is there. That's why. Take a cloth, wet cloth and dry cloth. 1 second, Krishna. Okay, now take your curtain little bit behind the, means window will not be seen behind the curtain. Okay? This part of window I have deleted. Why? Because it is behind curtain. Okay, so delete that. Yes, Arish, how much you have done? Show me.
Ma'am, I did this curves and also the curtain. It's light.
You have done? Okay, now make the book. Book is just make a slanting line.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I actually don't have soft pastels. So, ma'am, can I use my oil pastels only then?
You don't have watercolors?
Ma'am, I have watercolors.
Then load it with the watercolors.
Okay, ma'am.
It's just a first coating, what we say.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? You have pencil colors or you don't have pencil colors?
Ma'am, I just don't have the soft pastels. I have color pencils.
Okay.
Okay.
Harish, make this slanting line, divide this line, this is 5 centimeter, divide it into 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Then make a line, standing line, and just join it with a curve, like this. And where you have made a slanting line, make a box here.
Excuse me.
One more, 1 second. One more here line and one more here line. Got it?
Okay.
This is general book I have showed you. I have not showed you the complete one, but I have showed you the general book. Yes? Somebody was asking? Yes?
I don't have color pencils right now. My mom has ordered, but the delivery is delayed due to rain.
Okay. No problem. Then if we start with the color pencil, you just watch it. Afterwards, I'll guide you. Okay? And if we start with the color pencil, we are going to do first the window because this glass will be the last part. Okay, take your this soft pastel. Not require lot of color.
तो लकी रिकॉर्डिंग चला के गया है तो बस बहुत थोड़ा मैंने उससे बोला आ रहा है तो रिकॉर्ड कर Ma'am,
Yes.
I also don't have color pencils.
So I do it afterwards when you get the color pencil.
Yes, ma'am. I'll try to get them by Friday.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now I've taken two shades of this. One is light brown and one is little bit dark. Burnt cyan, can you see? One is brown, which is reddish brown. Other is little bit dark brown. That is the two shades. You yourself will just see how I have shown
Ma'am,
you.
these
These are the two shades. What I've keep it on your hand and see. One is light. I don't want the same, but one is light and one is dark. This is for the window pane. What we are doing now. The center part and the base part. The T shape, reverse T. That will be with your dark.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you just show the color once?
This is light. Can you see? And the other one is little bit dark. It's not dark brown. I'll show you the dark brown. Dark brown is more darker. I'm not going to take that. See the difference? 3 shades are there. So I'm taking this for the main window pane.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, for the darker brown, ma'am, I'm using this color called burnt umber. Ma'am, is that fine?
Yes, it is fine.
Okay.
And then you will have to use the plain brown on this pane then.
Okay, ma'am.
That small one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, do darker brown in the middle.
Yes.
Ma'am, these two colors.
You listen.
Huh? Just check it. Just check it because I'm not able to see the brown shades. That's why I told her don't go for very dark. One is light. This is the medium and this is very dark. The very dark I have lifted. Only these two colors I have loaded.
Ma'am, can you do it a little bit down?
Yes. No, down area you will not be able to see. Now it is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The center T, reverse T, I'm just loading it with the dark brown. Yes, go on mute.
मैम अभी सॉफ्ट पेस्टल से कर रही है.
Yes, I'm doing with the soft pastel. What happened? And the rim with a light brown. Light means the other shade of the brown. One is this rim. If this rim is too small, just load it. One single line, it is okay. Then afterwards, don't load behind the glass.
Ma'am,
That
can
we
I
are going to, don't load anything behind the glass. This or this or this. We are going to do it with the pencil color.
This color you are saying?
Huh?
This color?
What this color?
Ma'am, this one.
This is dark, black, I think so, or where it is.
Ma'am.
And then you have loaded dark brown. It's okay, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
can I do if I don't have space for the curtain, can I do it transparently inside?
Yes, you can. Now, take your dark brown, that is more darker, not this two, more dark brown, and load it on the down part of the lantern. This one, it's a black. This is dark brown, no? And if you don't have dark brown, load this brown and shred little bit of black inside it. When you will merge it, it will give this shape.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you just up your notebook? Yes. ma'am.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now with this shape, this part I'm going to load standing wise like this. One shade lighter to the down one. So here you're going to add black. Here you're not going to add black if you don't have the dark shade. That is the difference. And as the light is falling in this area, so first I'm going to load the same color which I've loaded for the window pane. I'm just loading it in this area. Design will do it afterwards with the help of white pencil. Or to show the light shape.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the outline of the doors? The
Outline.
outline of the windows means those lines.
This one.
Is it this color?
No. Which one you are saying? This or this?
This one, the thin ones.
Thin ones are this one. Brown,
What's it?
brown. It's only brown. General brown. Can you see?
Ma'am, is this the one?
No, this one. That is
Okay.
dark. It's a brown, plain brown. Yes?
It looks like in this one, you've done black.
Huh?
It looks like in this portion you've done black.
No, this is dark brown. Black is different. My black is different. I've loaded this one. Where is that? Two different colors are there. This is a brown shade. See here.
Okay, ma'am.
You can see this brown shade.
Ma'am, which one from these?
Huh?
Which one from these three?
Anyone. Just load the dark, medium and light shade. Okay? And now curtain, if you want, you can take, I can see it is a greenish and yellowish shade. That is, yellow is because the light is falling here. That's why. Otherwise, it is a shade of little bit green shade. So I'm going to load green, light green for the curtain and make more light with the help of white shade.
Ma'am,
I'm purposely loading
Ma'am,
green
this
here.
color is
You can load light blue also, but I'm loading purposely green. I'm not going to give the trees look as green because it is dark.
Ma'am,
So it looks like a black. Yes?
ma'am, is this the color?
Ma'am, what color green is it?
This is emerald green I've done.
Ma'am, this one?
Yeah.
Side two is very dark and that looks like a light green.
You can take light green.
Excuse me, ma'am, can I use light too?
Yes, you can use light blue. I'm giving green shade. I told you now I don't want the tree to be, a tree will not be visible at all because of the black shade. It will be black behind it, and we are going to make, I'm just going to load now black and blue here. This much part will be the blue, light blue and all that. And the moon is there. So I'll make that moon and this leaving behind blue shade and the black. So to give the look, that green effect, I have given a green color. You can load the blue also.
Ma'am, can I use sap green for this part?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Any green you can use. No problem. Whatever green you want, you can use it. Okay. Now, we forgot to make the moon. So you can take just here. I'm drawing a moon here. A half moon. Remaining, we are not able to see it. So you can make here one. It has. Be careful. Huh?
Ma'am, can
Yes.
you green ones in this area?
Huh?
And this glass is overlapping the curtain.
Don't load anything there. See, I have not loaded.
Okay.
That will become black. That's right. Nothing. That's why I have not loaded this also. Window pane. It will become black and then we'll load little bit of brown of it. Done. Moon is completely white. Little bit in there. That again will make a shade. Apart from this, if I open the reference picture, it has a blue shade here. It's a Persian blue and a white shade as it is dark. So I'm going to take both of it, that is Persian blue and white. You can take light blue also, no problem. But I'm going to load Persian blue, leaving just as it is a sky. Okay, before the loading Persian blue, make the outlines for the trees. That is, it is uneven. We are going to load, I'm going to load the black. I'm not going to load any of the green or this. I'm just giving an uneven shape. With the pencil, we can give on the top because remaining we are not able to see it.
Ma'am, can I also use Persian blue?
Yes, here behind you can use Persian blue and light blue. See, this is the trees.
Ma'am, in the bottom of the lamp, is it dark? Is it black?
No, it is dark brown. See, this is black and this is brown. Difference is there. Black has a black shade. This has a brown, dark brown shade.
This is black. Okay.
This what I am loading is black. Yes.
Ma'am, which color are you loading?
Black, black.
Ma'am, in the window, I did the Prussian blue, so it's fine.
Window, you made a Persian blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is standing. The
Ma'am,
trees
is
will
this
be
the blue?
The standing. This is the blue.
Okay.
This is dark. Huh? It's in camera. It is looking ink blue, but it is dark. See here. I loaded the blue. I'll just show it.
Ma'am,
here.
this
Which one?
this one.
No, dark one. Is it dark because of window? Camera. It is
Ma'am,
looking
this
light.
is dark.
So load that dark.
Actually, ma'am, I have two dark shades of blue. Should I use ink or dark?
No, dark blue. Ink is not there.
Ma'am, are you using black now?
Yes, black for the trees. And unevenly I am loading and unevenly I am going to merge it. I have loaded it anyhow in the standing direction. Scribbling effect. Now for Persian blue, just I am loading it in a circular way. I just want this effect of the window. It is not everywhere. Persian blue near the moon, it is little bit white, so I'm going to load light blue over there. to discriminate between the tree and the sky. I'm just going to load, I'll show you. Now, remaining part, I'm going to load with the light blue. This one, near the moon also, light.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
And-
lately I did means that Persian blue in the area of this light blue also.
Okay, use white color then. Okay, now to have the effect of tree also, I have loaded light blue. Now remaining this part, I'll load the dark blue, that is Persian blue. Can you see? First, I had loaded Persian blue all over it, leaving the area where the trees are there because I just wanted to have the highlight. So there I have loaded the light blue, and now this part where the area blue is not there, I have loaded the Persian blue, and here also Persian blue in a circular way.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm not having that light blue. So can I do this one?
Which one? Yeah, you can do and load white inside it, on it, top of it.
Mama, is that light blue?
Yes, it's light blue. I'll first start with the light blue, gently. And then the Persian blue.
blue is this one.
Yes, you can use that as cobalt blue. More lighter to that instead. Now, when I go
Ma'am, this is
inside the
lighter.
light area, the Persian blue becomes a little bit different shade, light shade. Be careful with the brown. And by mistake, if your color becomes too dark, just use your white shade on top of it. It will give the light shade. Soft pastel, no problem. Soft pastels are the colors where you can amend all the colors by using pencil colors. Yes?
Persian blue?
Yes?
Is this Persian blue?
Yes. If it is dark blue, then it is Persian blue. The darkest blue is called Persian blue. All dark shade, the dark green, not the deep green, is called, it has a little bit black in it. Deep green doesn't have black in it. It has more amount of brown or more amount of red in it when it is mixed. But Persian green, Persian blue, they have little bit black shade in it. That theory you will be knowing when you go into the YDH session. Here we are not taking the color theory. Done? Now with the green for the curtain, I'm just making it straight.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the other side of it, is it green?
Which one? This one. This is curtain I've made.
Huh? So that means it's green one.
Yes, I made
Okay.
it green. Done. Now first load this and then we will load the table. Purposely, I have not loaded the table. Okay, here a little bit of black is there. Behind this side for the tree. This side. Behind the curtain. Trees. Brown. Then this part, change the direction. And this one is in this way. This is standing.
Ma'am, I don't have my black.
Load dark brown if you don't have black. Now merging the. Be
Oh
careful
yeah,
when
ma'am,
you
I
are.
have that.
Okay.
I just didn't know
Be
that.
careful when you are merging the black color.
Ma'am, should I also merge black with
Yes.
the blue?
Yes.
With the blue, because it will be a little bit bad with the blue. The slight blue, can I mix blue? Can I merge blue and white together?
Yes, you can. To make it blue, light blue, no? You can.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are we going to use color pencils on top of this?
Yes. Clean your hand. Now we'll do for the book and for the table. All this, okay, before that, just standing wise, this is sleeping wise. With the cord. No?
Ma'am, is this fine?
1 second, just hold on. I'll see everyone's speed. Then we load the table. Table and book. Show me. Who wants to show?
Ma'am, I'm still making, so it's going to take a few minutes.
You have not loaded here? This part? Where is this part? Very good, drizzling. Drizzling, load little bit of dark blue here. See, the shades are different. We are going to show the rain also, rain effect there. Blue is required to have a rain effect. On black, it will not be seen properly. Here will show the rain
Mom,
effect.
can you see mine?
Yes, you. Very nice, Shivan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Show me, Kushi. You don't have soft pastel?
Ma'am, I have soft pastel I'm doing.
Okay. I'll just go and wash my hands. So we'll start with the table and then add the fixative to it. Yes. Okay. Now,
Excuse me,
all
ma'am.
what we have loaded is in the standing or the circular way. Now, for the book and for the table, it is going to go standing wise. Yeah,
Ma'am,
Excuse
it
me,
is
ma'am.
okay, Raira. Yes.
Ma'am, if I'm using watercolors, do I need to use fixative?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Pragati, very good, Pragati. Yes. Vedika, where is yours? Yes. Who has not shown? Kushi, Risha. Now, if you see surrounding, that is around the Brandon, how much wide is this? Yes. there is first a black shadow on this area. So first with your black color, you're just going to make this will be the straight line. Again, I'm loading it in the straight way. See, straight. I'm not loading anything in a circular way. Yes?
Haven't
Can you
shown.
please see? Yes, show me.
Ma'am.
Very good. Very good part. Yes.
Ma'am, my in the lab.
1 minute, huh? 1 minute, Arish. Dhruvi, very good, Dhruvi. Yes, Arish. Go.
Ma'am, my lamp a little bit became like this because my hand got smudged to it.
Be careful now. Yeah, very good, Iraira. Now, first is the shadow.
Ma'am,
Because, yes,
how can we fix if it smudges a little bit? Like over here.
we'll use the pencil color on it. Light pencil color if it is dark, and if it is light, we'll use the dark pencil color.
Ma'am, what color
First,
have you used
and
for
if
the
the color
shadow?
is not running, we first load white color, white pencil color, and top of that we'll run the other color, whichever color we want.
Ma'am, have
It's
you
like
used
that.
black for the shadow?
Huh?
Ma'am, have you
Yes,
used black?
it is. This is black.
Okay.
I've loaded black for the shadow. Now, after loading black, you're not going to merge it. That will be last. Take your deep yellow. Surrounding.
I have one yellow.
Yes. Huh?
I only have lemon yellow.
Okay, take lemon yellow, shred little bit of orange in it to give the deep yellow shade. Okay? Here,
Ma'am, is this mustard color? Ma'am, deep yellow.
deep yellow.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have only lemon yellow.
Load brown, orange in it. With orange yellow.
Can I use golden yellow?
You can. The shadow is here. I can see the shadow. I'm going to load little bit of orange on top of it. Yes. Can you see? Just. Or you can load little bit of red also. Okay, the shadow here, black is extended. More shadow is there, so I'll extend the black.
Ma'am, is this golden yellow?
Hmm?
Is this golden yellow?
No, that is light yellow. It's a light color, pearl color. It's a pearl color. Okay. Now the same
Which
light
yellow you're
is.
using?
I'm using deep yellow.
Ma'am, I'm
Same
using
is.
medium yellow.
Okay, use it. Okay. Now I want a dark shade here, so you can load your brown, orange. I'm using dark orange because red is not there. I don't have primary red. On top of this, I'm giving a very little bit near the, just little bit of, not here. This is, as it goes away, it will have a yellow shade, but near this, near the lamp, it will be darker shade. So little bit of orange I have loaded on it. Now, Arish, you were asking, Arish or Krishan was asking which yellow is this. So that yellow
Ma'am,
you're going to use. Yes, that yellow you're going to use on the top of the book.
Ma'am, this one.
No, not that. Light one. On top of the book, you're going to load it in a sleeping direction like this.
This one, ma'am.
No. Can you see the color? What color I've loaded?
Ma'am, is this one there?
Not that also. Light yellow. That is pearl color, or you can say the this. Below this, there is a brown shade. What brown we have loaded here, na? Very less. Little bit of brown line just loaded on the down part of the book.
Ma'am, I don't have the yellow you used for the book.
Take
Ma'am, I
yellow
also don't
ochre
have it.
and add white in it. If you don't have yellow, take the yellow ochre and load white in it. And here, just I'm loading yellow ochre. 3 different colors I've used.
Ma'am, are you using soft pastels for the book?
Yes, everything I've loaded with a soft pastel only. Merging this light shade first, this, and now to give the dark shade, I'm just merging first brown and then merging that brown inside the yellow.
Ma'am, can you use a different color for the book cover?
This is not cover, this is page. So give a
No,
light
that
shade.
reddish brownish part.
Yeah, you can. That is no problem.
Ma'am, which
Yes.
brown you have done in the bottom?
This brown.
Ma'am, in the bottom of the book.
This brown I've done. What I've done for the small window pane is then a same
No,
brown.
that
I've
page
done.
is after that peach one.
This brown I've loaded. This you're asking now. This brown I've loaded.
Not
but
this line.
Line also this brown.
Oh, both of them.
Yes, both of them. Okay, now take your brown shade, that is this window shade, and take the light brown also, little bit of, you're going to load it here. Below the window, I'm loading the different brown color shade in a sleeping direction.
Ma'am, is this the reddish brown?
Yes, it is a reddish brown. And here I'm giving a little bit dark shade.
Ma'am, which brown is this?
This is dark brown. Not very dark, less than this one. I have 4 brown colors.
And I also have.
So the second one. This is reddish brown, second I have loaded. The third I have done here, and the fourth one,
Can't find the reddish brown.
load the light brown.
And this
brown.
one.
Load
Is
the plain brown,
that-
yes.
No.
Yes, you can.
And this one.
This is dark one here, this one. This reddish is
And
different.
this one.
Yes, that one. Okay, now when you're merging, first don't go to the shadow. First merge your plain this yellow and then merge your orange and yellow in sleeping direction only. Nowhere I'm using the circular way. Don't go inside this black shade.
What color you have used for above the window? This one.
This is reddish brown. Okay?
Okay.
Now I'm merging this brown and coming little bit inside this side of the yellow. Very less. Yellow shade is more, brown is less. Just coming down with the same yellow and brown. And then merging this table brown. done. Merge the shadow in the sleeping direction. Everyone will show me. Everyone knows how to load the fixate tuner.
Ma'am, I don't have fixated. Ma'am, can you see my?
You'll do it without fixating then.
Ma'am, can you
Without-
see my?
Yes. Sure.
One. This.
Okay, it is okay. Yeah, you can leave. Add the fixate you afterwards.
Yes, ma'am.
Kushi, can you show me yours?
Ma'am, can I
Everyone
show
show. Yes. Everyone show.
Ma'am, is
And you can add the fixate you afterwards.
Ma'am, is it okay?